In this video guys, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how you can get access to all TikTok monetization features irrespective of your continent or even your country. Most times, Africans do not have the leverage to access more of the TikTok creativity program or even the TikTok monetization, but in this video, I am going to show you how to do just that. So right here guys, you want to simply go into the login section, and right here guys, as you can see, I'm in Nigeria right here, and it is impossible for me to get access to some of the TikTok monetization features. So all you want to simply do is to tap on the country right here, and you want to simply select a particular country and region. So right here guys, I'm going to make use of United States right here. I'm just going to search for United States. So this is it, and go on to done right there. So once you're done, the next thing you want to actually do is to go onto your Google Chrome browser and search for Urban VPN Proxy, and you want to simply just tap on that, and it's going to take you right onto this page whereby you simply need to add this VPN Proxy to your Chrome. So once you simply do that, go back onto TikTok and simply just go right here, and you want to simply enable this right here. So this is it. You simply tap on this, turn on right here, and we are done. So the next thing you want to do is to simply just sign up or create an account. So if you simply go onto the sign up page, you can sign up using phone or email, continue with Facebook, continue with Google, or even Twitter right here, or even as a guest. So I'm going to make use of this right here. Simply put in the date of birth. You want to make use of this, add in your year. Next thing, you want to sign up with email. Simply just want to add in your particular email right here. You put in your password, and once you're done, you want to simply enter your code. So I'm just going to go right here onto this page, and as you can see right here, I've been able to get in my code right here, my verification code. So you simply go right here and simply just put in your code. So you can easily paste in your code right there. So let me just simply just do this. Paste your code. Next, click on to next right here. So guys, we're right here on the TikTok dashboard, and as you can see, we're going to see posts from the United States right now. So right here guys, you can easily check your IP address right here by simply going on to this platform called world.net. As you can see right here, my IP address right here is in the United States right here. This will simply confirm that you are simply making use of the IP address from the United States, and you're able to get access to the TikTok page. So in order for you to get access to the TikTok creativity program, you want to simply make use of your mobile device. So guys, right here on your mobile device, you want to simply just tap on these three horizontal lines right here at the top, and simply go onto Creator Tools. So right here guys, on the Creator Tools, if you simply scroll down onto Creator Next, you're going to see the option here that says Creativity Program Beta. So you simply just tap on that right here, and you want to simply just apply for the TikTok Creativity Program Beta right here. And with it here, you can easily get rewarded for your quality content on TikTok. So once you join the creativity program beta, you will be eligible to be rewarded for creating videos that are 1 minute or longer. And here are some program highlights whereby you get more reward and more viewers right away, whereby TikTok users now spend 50% of their time watching content over 1 minute long and easy to track right away, whereby we have improved the dashboard to help you track reward details and analyze video. So right here guys, in order for you to be able to be eligible for the TikTok creativity program beta, you want to simply make sure that you have at least 10,000 followers and have at least 100,000 video viewers in the last 13 days and be at least 18 years, and you simply just want to apply. So guys, this is how you can easily get access to all TikTok monetization features right here.